Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to introduce myself. My name is Fardana Rahmaningro. My registration number is 125514005. I am from class LCOP A2012. I will explain about logic circuit. Logic circuit is from a connection some gate logic. Digital logic circuits work. The output of a logic circuit is determined by the characteristic and connection of the gates are used. The following will discuss commonly used logic gates in a logic circuit. After that, logic gates is a digital circuit that has one or more inputs and only one output. The output of this logic gate depending on the input signal given him. The basic logic gates are NOT and OR, while NAND and OR, XOR, and NOR gate is from a combination of several basic gates. This is a picture of NOT gate circuit. 10 kilo ohm of input and IC 7404, and the output is 100 kilo ohm, and the LED with a combination. This is a truth table from NOT gate circuit. Y equal inverse A. If input 0 or low, the output is high. If input is high, the output is 0. This is a demonstration of NOT gate circuit. If input low, the output is high. So the LED is on. And if input high, the output is low. LED is on, off. After that, I want to explain AND gates. It's a logic gate consisting of 2 or more inputs and only one output. AND gate output will be high only if all inputs are high. And if one or more inputs are logic low, the output will be low. Boolean algebra equation logic gate is Y equal A dot B. In Boolean algebra operation and gate mark time on a point. This is a AND gate circuit. 10 kilo ohm of this is a first input and second input is 10 kilo ohm, and IC 7408, and the output is 100 kilo ohm. This is LED with combination. This is a truth table. Y equal A dot B. If first input low, second input is low, so the output is low. And the first input is low, the second input is high, the output of low. And the first input is high, second input low, the output is low. The first input is high, second input is high, the output is high. This is a AND gate circuit. If first input low, the second input low, and output is low, and the LED is off. And the first input is low, and the second input is high, the output is low. The LED is off, and first input is high, and second input is low. The output is off. LED is off, and first input is high, and second input is high. The LED is on. After that, I want to explain OR gate. OR gate is the basic logic gates that have 2 or more inputs and only one output. OR gate output to logic high when one or more input there is a logic high, and the output to logic low on when all inputs are logic low. Boolean algebra of logic equation for the OR gate output is y equal a plus b equal in Boolean algebra operation OR gate marks n. This is a picture of OR gate circuit. First input 10 kilo ohm, second input 10 kilo ohm. The IC is 74132 and the output is 100 kilo ohm. The LED with a combination. This is a truth table y equal a plus b. First input low to second input low, output is low. First input is low, second input is high, the output is high. First input is high and second input is low, the output is high. And first input is high, second input is high, the output is high. This is a OR gate circuit. The first input is low and the output is low, and output is off or low. And the first input is low and second input is high, the output is high, LED is on. And the first input is high, the second input is low, the output is high, LED is on. And first input is high, second input is high, LED is on. Okay, thanks for your attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.